Hey guys, I'm back in going Commando. It's been a while, but I've got some new glitches. Here we go. Okay, and I've got one new technique. It's not really new, because it was in Ratchet and Clank 1, the heli climb, and it works in this one if you didn't know. See? Do this high jump. Sometimes that don't work, but watch. High jump. Try it again. This is sort of like a speed run where you can do when you're not in challenge mode, but I am in challenge mode, so crap. It's kind of hard, though. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't, but crap. Try it again. Okay, got it. Okay, and you make it up here, but it's kind of confusing to do, but okay, and then you go here, and then you go around here. You gotta go closest to this as you can, and then there'll be because there'll be an invisible barrier. And get up here, go up here, and you can get on to this, but see, sometimes you'll fall. But that's not why we're up here. This. Okay. Get in here. Let's climb this. And I've sort of like made 333 Allegretto 333's technique. Air jumping and long air jumping, so you go farther with the long air jump. But okay, what you do is you double tap R2, hold forward, and keep tapping square, and he'll swing his wrench in the air, and then you do a long jump. I'll try to do it. See? Like that. And then hit the button, and the swing shots come up. I mean, it's sort of like a speed run. But, let's see. Let's go to the next planet for the next glitch. Oh, crap. You guys are still here. Well, I can get out of here. Okay, let's see. If you look at my channel, then it says that my file got deleted for Going Commando. Well, my walkthrough file did. Well, it did, so I can't do the walkthrough for a while. But, well, I can't. I had to start a new game and get back to the point, but I think that I can do it sometime soon, maybe. But I'm just trying to find glitches right now, so. I've got one, that was the one on Needle. I've got one on Bolden and Barlow. But no, not high jump. Okay, you're gonna want to go up here to that building over there. Then I do this charge boot. That guy, you here, and high jump, jump. Then you go over here. Then you go right here and hold forward, you walk up. This is the hard part. Wrench climb. Better wrench climb to the top. Okay, mate. Now, see that place right there? There actually is a roof, but you gotta jump. You can't see it, so gotta do this. Sometimes you grab on the seat and I'll just push you down. So you gotta go here and then high jump, and then you make it. And you can do this, that button down there. You can high jump that. You can like go down, then you can press the button, and then you get the lightning bolt, or you could do this. See that place over there? Charge boot to it. There you go. Then crap. I messed up. Let me kill these guys and I'll get back up here. There are 2 ways you can get back up there. I'll just do this one. Go up here. And it's fountain. Oh crap. And then you get up here. High jump. And strike. And then you're up. And this is sort of like a speed run. Then get down here. Then you charge boot. Shoot. Then you go over. Get down here. And down there's a platform you can stand on, and then you'll be like near the end. I'll show you, like right there. I don't want to get the continue for it, so I'll die right here. Okay, on the Barlow. I don't know why I came here. Well, I'll probably have some glitches in the next video or something. I don't really have glitches here. I don't know why I came here, but we'll see you in the next part.